Well, hello again, everybody. Welcome back to Desert Sky Adventures, and welcome back to Tombstone. It's the Allen Street vlog, a vlog that happens on and around Allen Street, right here in downtown Tombstone, Arizona. No big plans today. We're just taking a walk around town, seeing what's going on. As always, I'm inviting you guys to come along with me. Obviously, a gray and somewhat windy day today here on Allen Street. Not too cold, but there could be some rain coming in tonight. We'll wait and see what happens. See, there's definitely something going on in this building here on Allen Street, right next to the Harley-Davidson and Hotel Tombstone. I'm not sure what it is, but this storefront right here has been abandoned as long as I've lived here, probably longer. And you can see, if you look through that window, this building actually has no back wall. Rumor has it that they're tearing this building down. I can't confirm that, but it's not too hard to believe considering the condition of the building. We also have a store relocation update, as this location right here in the center of your frame used to be the Nellie's Wicks and Bricks shop. They've actually moved right over there. Rumor has it the building that used to house Nellie's Wicks and Bricks is going to be turned into some kind of shooting gallery. I can't imagine they'd be real guns, but I'm not sure. Again, not something I can confirm, just something I've heard around town. Possible shooting gallery coming to Allen Street. Take a little peek through the window here. Not hard to tell what's going on in there so far, but we'll keep an eye on it. Of course, the big news around town this week is the announcement of the ticket packages for the upcoming second annual Tombstone Wild West Paracon, happening on April 26th through the 28th. There are going to be 12 different investigation locations around town this year, a bunch of big-name ghost hunters. The headliner is Amy Bruni. If you're familiar with paranormal, you know Amy Bruni. But they've got everything from VIP ticket packages all the way down to donation-only ghost hunts. So if you want to come down, don't have a whole bunch of money to spend, there is still something for you to do at the Tombstone Wild West Paracon. You can see all of the ticket packages available on the Tombstone Wild West Paracon Facebook page, and tickets go on sale for the event on February 19th. If you want to go, get them in as soon as you can. They are going to sell out. I'm over here now at the entrance area to the Good Enough Mine Tour, and Nick up there told me that they just recently completed a kind of observation deck over here. I'm gonna see if I can't check it out. Look at this. If you come down here to the end of the fence line, there's a picnic table here, and you have a view looking down into the mine right over there. From here, you also get a pretty good view of those snow-covered peaks back there. Beautiful day today. Also, if you come to the Good Enough Mine tour, don't forget to check out the petting zoo. Oh my goodness. Look at the little piggies. That goat back there on top of the log. How are you guys all doing today? Tiny horse. Over here at the Tombstone Courthouse State Historic Park. It might not look like it today, but they are right in the middle of a renovation that is happening in a few different phases. You can see they have that piece of equipment over there. Doesn't look like there's much in the way of renovations going on today. That's probably because of the threat of possible rain. But last week, I was able to catch up with Ranger Brittany, who works here at the Tombstone Courthouse State Historic Park, and she told me a little bit more about the renovations that are planned. Take a look. Hi, Ranger Brittany. How are you?
Hi, Dave. I'm good. How are you?
Doing well. So they're doing some renovations on the courthouse, it looks like. Can you tell us kind of what's going on?
Absolutely. So we recently got a whole brand new roof across the courthouse, but now what we've got going on is some painting around the windows. So it's not just any paint. We've had an abatement team come through to treat it. And this paint is also going to help prepare and preserve the wood. Not all of the window casings are original, but some of them do have original components. So the work that the team's doing now is also preservation work. So it's not just going to make it look better, but it's going to help save it for the long run.
Cool, cool. Yeah, very important. These old buildings. Definitely want to preserve them for future generations.
And as you can tell, it's quite a big operation. We've got 2 cranes going just through these windows. They've been working all throughout the building. They'll even go out through the gallows courtyard to get those windows too. So we have had to block off parking, and we have had some minor interruptions to our operations as a museum, but it's got to get done, and we're happy to see it happening.
Cool. And this is like the first phase, right? It sounds like there's quite a bit more planned for the courthouse.
There sure is. So now that the roof's done, we're doing the windows. The windows have been abated, and now the paint work begins. We'll have another round, possibly 2 more weeks of painting for the windows. After that, in the future, the retaining wall that wraps around the front of the building here, including this part right down here, we're going to get treatment for that retaining wall, get any missing bricks replaced. We've been collecting the ones that we found throughout the area. So we'll have those bricks replaced. After that, we're going to get an entirely new electrical system, and that means coming sometime after 2025, air conditioning.
First for this building, right?
Correct.
Wow.
Correct.
All right, very cool.
All the temperature control we have right now comes from opening the windows in the summer, and unfortunately, we no longer use the cupola for climate control. It can't open all the way up anymore. So we just open the windows, turn the fans on, but in the coming years, we're going to have air conditioning, so we'll be able to stay open longer to welcome more visitors.
Perfect. Well, thank you, Ranger Brittany, for letting us know what's going on at the courthouse.
You're very welcome.
We'll be sure to follow the progress and see how it all turns out.
Yes, please do. We're very, very thankful for the grant funding that's come through and the capital improvement project funds that have helped us make this possible. You know, anybody that doesn't know, Arizona State Parks is a self-sustaining agency. So your visitation dollars, your donation dollars, your purchases at our gift shop, they actually help fund and keep the museum running. And so we rely on that grant funding and that capital improvement project funding to get the major renovation work like this done.
Perfect. All right. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Of course. We'll see you next time.
All right. Pretty quiet Tuesday here in town, as it typically is on a Tuesday. But I do have some city business to go film at the Boot Hill Graveyard, so I think I'll take you guys over there with me, see what's going on there. All right, well, this crazy storm came in, and that is where I'm going to have to wrap it up for today, everybody. The wind is totally crazy right now. Before we go today, I just want to give a big thank you out to Mike and Kathy Perea. I hope I'm saying that right, Perea, from Santa Fe, New Mexico, for sending us this DVD copy of 26 Men, the classic Old West series about the first 26 Arizona Rangers. We haven't watched it yet, but we will, and we will let you know what we think about it. Also, I want to give a thanks to our newest Desert Sky exclusive member. That rain is cold. Dan S. Thank you very much, Dan S., for supporting the channel out of Huachuca City. We definitely appreciate you. If you would like to become a Desert Sky Adventures exclusive member, you can do that by hitting the join button at the top of the channel page, and you can support us for just a few bucks a month. That will get you early access to all of our videos, exclusive live streams, and other cool stuff you won't find anywhere else. And for updates in between videos, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I think that's going to be about it for today, folks. So thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you all. And until next time, until the next video, we'll see you down the road.